One unique thing about the DJI NEO is that you can actually just fly it by itself. You want to fly it, Brand? Ready? So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna test out the DJI NEO 2. It is this little thing right here. DJI's, what do you call this type of drone anyway? I don't know.
Toy.
Toy drone, no. Lightweight drone. And we're gonna test out the different features of the drone. One unique thing about the DJI NEO is that you can actually just fly it by itself. It has several features that you can choose from, such as follow, and then it does
take selfies.
Yeah, it does take selfies. So we're gonna do all that. First, we're gonna turn it on. You just need to press the power button once, and then power button press and hold, and the propellers will vibrate, and it's basically turned on. And it has a screen here. It will basically tell you what mode it's on. It's currently on follow. So maybe you want to fly it, Brand?
Yeah, let's do a follow.
Yeah, can you change it to follow, then front? So to do it,
Follow. 3.
no.
Unable to take off.
No,
Make
no.
sure aircraft is level.
No, I think you need to press and hold this one.
Rear.
No,
Unable to take off. Make sure aircraft is level.
I'll press and hold this. Okay, you can fly it now. To download the DJI Fly App, all you have to do is go on Google and search DJI Fly App on search. And then the first search result under DJI.com, you need to make sure that you're on the right website. And it says Download Center, DJI Fly. So click that one and then just hit Download App. And it's going to start downloading the app. If it doesn't start, just follow the prompts. So it says here, if the download doesn't start, click here. Okay. Because it didn't. And it's going to download it. And then just follow the prompts until it installs. Once it's installed, so you can see it's downloading. Once it's installed, you can just follow the prompts to install it. And it's going to appear in your app drawer. You can just search for it, DJI Fly, and launch it. Then you get to connect the drone to it. That's it. The way for you to turn it on is to just press, it'll light up, and then press and hold, and that's basically gonna turn it on. Then it will activate the gimbal and the camera. So it has this screen right here, which tells you what the current setting is on, and there are button controls on the side, and as well as this is like the fly button. So you control what's on screen. For example, currently it's on boomerang 20 meters by pressing and holding these buttons. So when I press and hold the back button, the option for distance blinks.
4 meters.
Browse through it using the same buttons. And if you want to set that, you can press this one, the fly button. It's not immediately gonna fly. It's just gonna lock the settings you want.
Droney.
On that same screen, I can move from the preset options that I have here on the drone. One of them is Droney. I can't use this because it's gonna fly up.
Circle.
Circle is something that I won't be able to use also.
Rocket.
And rocket.
Follow.
But follow, I think I can use this one. So I can set it by pressing and holding these buttons again. So I can set it as flat, that's fine, close, and front left. I'm gonna change the front left
Rear
to just
left.
front.
Rear right. Front right. Front.
Okay, and lock it using this button. For me to fly it, I'm just gonna press this button right here.
Front. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Trying to follow me, and as you can see, there were some moments of adjustments, and it's very noisy. Fun thing about this is that you can actually gesture it or control it through hand. You can lock it like this, and you can move it to the right or the left with your hand, or you can gesture it with two hands. We can make it go far, but not at the moment because there's a wall. And because it ran into an accident, it's gonna land itself. So that's why we don't fly the drone inside the house.
Front.
I'm gonna fly it one more.
3.
I'm just gonna quickly show you how to land it. I'm just gonna reach my arm like this. It's gonna detect it and it's gonna land. Simple as that. Turn it off again. Press and hold. And it's off. There you go. So when I'm not using the drone, I normally just remove the battery by pressing these two buttons. That's it. Because otherwise, what I noticed is that it's gonna drain your battery. Yep, that's it. So it's gonna go to your. It's supposed to go to your front. Front left. Just allow it to go there. That's your front left, right?
Yeah, for the drone.
Go there, far. It's following him. Maybe let's do the selfie. It's gonna do 3 shots.
3, 2, 1.
Here, you can change the settings. By default, it's on follow, and you can actually change whether it's far following you, or medium following you, or close. Or you can change whether it's high following you, flat, or low. And you can set here whether it's gonna be front right, or just front or right, or in between right and back, or in between back and left, or just left, and so on. Circle, it's just gonna circle around you, so you can also choose start if you want to. Now the boomerang, it's just gonna boomerang. You see that icon over there, the boomerang? It's just gonna do that. Rocket, it's just gonna go up either 4 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, 20 meters above you. You can also do rotation if you want. Dollies in, so you can do medium, full, wide, 1 to 3x. So fly away before zooming. Those are the options. Helix. This is just gonna go in and out of away from you in a helix form, and that's the distance of the maximum distance of the helix. So there are other features definitely which we haven't preset. Maybe we should connect it to the phone. So another way to control the drone is through the phone. You need to install the DJI Fly App and then just connect it. It's gonna give you several options. Needs your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on your phone for you to connect to the drone. And it's gonna warn you about suitable flight environments, such as you're not near airports, it's not breezy weather, and you're in a well-lit area.
promptly.
17%.
It's scary to let your kid fly the drone.
See? It's a view.
Okay, so there's also an option on the phone to do manual mode, but I would really discourage against using it. The reason being is that
It uses
It-
Wi-Fi.
it uses Wi-Fi as
And so that
as the
means-
range.
So does that means like maybe 10 meters away it's already disconnected?
Yeah, so
Alright,
it's
yeah.
it's not that good. I mean, you can use it if you don't have a remote control like we do. Show them the remote.
But this remote can do 10 kilometers with
Yeah,
this.
so 10 kilometers. That's pretty far. That's actually beyond the battery capacity of the Neo 2.
Yeah, unless you like leave it there as a location and go away.
Yeah, we saw online that somebody tried to use it to up to
2 kilometers.
less than 2 kilometers,
Without going completely.
and then
go back.
he allowed it to go down to a battery of 60%, and then it went back to him at around 9%. So we don't want to risk that because we're at the beach.
Water is dangerous.
Yeah, you don't want your drone to lose battery on top of water, so that's why. As a rule of thumb, we normally just fly the Neo 2 up until 20%.
Because it's not good to fully discharge the battery.
Yeah, otherwise you might have to retrieve your drone on top of a mountain, on top of a hill, or worse, underwater.